Good morning, 7th graders. Since I am not at school this morning, I thought it would just be easier for us if I made a short video here to give you the directions of what it is you're going to work on today. Obviously, you'll see that I'm in Google Classroom, so what you're going to work on today is in Google Classroom. Before we get started, though, if you did not finish the reading guide in class and finished it for homework, you should hit the turn in button for the reading guide. I'll check the timestamps on them. They need to be turned in before 7:35 to get full credit for them, because those were homework last night that were due today. What you're going to do is I have this article here on Classroom. It's called Matter and Energy in Ecosystems. It's a long article. You are not expected to finish this today. You're going to go through and you're going to read in this article about matter and energy in the ecosystems. You are then, like we did in the last unit, going to create a PowerPoint going through some of the key information for each of the sections. So if you look the way that this article is organized, you'll see lots of main headings and some subheadings. My expectation for you in terms of this class period today on Tuesday morning is for you to easily get through food and organisms, this whole page here, energy in ecosystems, which is the next 2.5 pages. That should be at the very least what you're able to accomplish today. So my suggestion to you is to go through and read those 2.5 or 3.5 pages first. Don't read the entire thing. Read those 2.5, 3 pages first, then open up a Google slide presentation, organize your presentation like the article is organized. So you have food and organisms would be a major heading, so that's obviously going to be something that directs you, and then you can use the subheadings in terms to help you with when you should add new slides to your Google presentation. For today's assignment, you can work with one person, only one, not groups of 3 or 4 or 5, just groups of 2. You can pick your own partner. If you would rather work on your own, you can work on your own. This is total student choice, but it cannot be more than 2 people. This is not homework if you don't finish it. We'll get back to this article later this week. We'll see what you guys have. You'll add to your notes from my notes, and we'll kind of tackle this article here just a little bit at a time since it's so long. Okay, your substitute has some of the lesson plans down too if you have any questions. Otherwise, once your partner has listened to the directions, you guys can find a spot in the classroom to sit down and begin to work. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.